So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can use the ChatGPT as voice assistant on any iPhone that you have without the Apple Intelligence feature. So first of all, you just need the ChatGPT application right on your phone right there. Once you install it, and simply now you can attach the ChatGPT voice assistant on multiple things. Like you can attach it to the back tap or the action button as well. Now if I go to the settings here, you simply need to go to this option of action button right there, and here you simply scroll down until you see this option of there we go, shortcuts. Hit choose a shortcut, go to ChatGPT, hit start voice conversation option right there. Now if you press and hold the action button, you'll notice that the voice conversation with the ChatGPT. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.